Hey guys, Mike here. I am going to introduce a series of movements today that are based on creating overhead stability. Now, overhead stability is really lost amongst many athletes, and I see it since I started in strength and conditioning in general, that they do so much lifting, but they never think about pressing and bracing and the muscles required just to hold themselves upside down or to hold themselves something overhead. So overhead stability is imperative to my programming. I use it for everybody, and the exercises in these videos are really going to help you guys to understand properly how to do it right. Hi guys, Mike here with Crystal. We're going to go over overhead stability. I'm using my vape pen to talk to you. Just kidding, it's not vape pen, it's a microphone, but it's not interesting. My dog's getting a shot, he's cool though. So Crystal's going to go ahead and demonstrate overhead stability. First thing we're going to do is a very simple way to do it, and that's with a dumbbell, and just pressing through a dumbbell doing overhead walks. This is going to pick it up. She's going to walk it out, and walk forward. And she's going to turn around and switch arms, forward, doesn't matter, and back. We'll do that one more time. Walking towards the camera with one arm, walking away with the other. Pressing through that dumbbell. Alright, so the next progression, the overhead walking lunge with the dumbbell, overhead walks with the dumbbell is overhead walking lunges. The overhead walking lunges is when you want to do a little more, you want to work up the series chain at the same time, but you're still focusing on stability. So this is going to be the exact same thing, demonstrating an overhead walking lunge will look like. Back the shoulders and lunging through, pressing through the palm as she's walking. Keeping those shoulders extremely active is important. We really want to engage the lats. Sit. Come on, sit. Sit over. Sit. One more. No. Let's sit. Hold it down. Hold it down, buddy. Alright, so work on to the next progression of our overhead stability is overhead walking lunges with the dumbbell. Okay. So what we're going to do is the exact same thing overhead, but we're working on stabilizing through that dumbbell, but we're going to add the lunge to make the movement a little bit tougher. So this will be our scale up. So this is going to pick up the dumbbell. She's going to walk out of the exact same way. She's going to take nice, good steps through that lunge, pressing up through that front leg. And as she presses up through that front leg, she's going to really focus on pushing through that dumbbell all the way through her lunge progressions, which is extremely important. We're going to turn around, we're going to switch sides, and we're going to come back, lunging, pressing through that front leg, pressing extra through that dumbbell, all the way through. You see her back working extra overtime. This is exactly what we want. We want to fire all those muscles in the back to create that stability. Okay guys, so once you've mastered the dumbbell overhead walks, you want to progress to a barbell, because you've done single arm strengthening now, so the next one is now do bar strengthening, right? So the general rule of thumb when you're working with a barbell is you want to start with right around 65 to 75% of your 1RM snatch. The grip you want to start with is going to be your snatch grip, but you'll eventually move to your clean grip once you get more stable in the snatch grip. So Chris is going to go and get her snatch grip on. She's going to lock out above her head. Now she's got that nice snatch grip, and she'll walk towards the camera. Same exact idea. She's going to press through the barbell, act like she's tearing a towel apart. When she gets to her point, she'll turn around. You don't have to spin with it. You can always put it down, but we're going to spin with it for today. Walking forward. As you can see, everything in her back is engaged, and that's what we're looking for. We're going to go and put it down, and we're going to work now next with a clean grip. So this is a little bit more advanced. Like I said, once you develop snatch grip strength, we'll go to a clean grip. Same concept. Pop it up above the head. Same percentage of max as well as snatch. Pressing through the barbell, walking through and at the shoulders, biceps behind the ears if you can. Develop that stability. Everything's the same here. We'll turn around, we'll go back. Like I say, you can drop it one way, walking forward again. You'd be surprised at how easy this is, but how nobody really does it to create that overhead stability. It's such a simple thing you can do, but it's just never done. So people have very weak overhead. So this is really going to help with that. Okay guys, so the next take now, we've done overhead walks. we've done the dumbbell lunges. Obviously the next progression is going to be, to make it a little tougher, is lunging with the barbell. So we're going to get that snatch grip again, Crystal. We're going to pop it up, pressing through that barbell, tearing it apart, and we're going to lunge. Go for it. And as she presses through that front leg, she's going to press through that barbell, pushing that barbell up to the ceiling, keeping those shoulders engaged the entire time, all the way through. And on the way back, we'll just show a clean grip. Show a clean grip to the camera, Crystal. And we'll come back with a clean grip. Pop it up, push it up, turn around, and we'll take a clean grip lunge on the way back. A little tougher to stay actively engaged on this, but very important. This is going to definitely be a progression up on those lunges, because it's definitely a lot tougher to lunge when your hands are at that clean grip. Chris has got it. Perfect. Nice job. Alright guys, the next progression is to overhead stability, or another exercise you can use to create this. It's just started with a box, and it's called a box Pike handstand push-up hold. So Chris is going to go and pop in the box. You can start on your knees if it's really hard at first, or on your toes, like a progression up. This is going to go on her toes. She's going to walk her tail all the way to the box, so she's in a Pike position. Okay? And the idea is to bring the head through and activate through the back. Okay? Now, a lot of you will bring your head away, so we're bringing your head away, Crystal. And that deactivates. We don't want to be there. We want to be pushing through, going to press through, and that fires our back muscles here. And we want to hold that for about 20 seconds or so at a time. Alright, we're going to take that handstand hold to another level and work on single arm overhead stability. And we're going to do that same concept with box Pike on the box, but we're going to actually go with a single arm hold. It's much easier to do from the box. You can eventually progress this to the wall, but for now, Chris is going to get into that box Pike, which is beautiful. She's going to take her side that she feels like raising, and one arm's going to raise, head's getting through, she's engaged through that arm, pressing through the ground, holding that hold for about 10 to 20 seconds, really holding that at a time. Perfect, Crystal, great job. Okay, so you've seen some early stuff on the box. Now we're going to take the next logical progression, and that's against the wall. So we're going to start off with a handstand hold against the wall. Go ahead, Crystal, pop up there. Hold that active shoulders. And that's all it takes. Same idea, everything's engaged to the bottom. Exact same as the box. Hold that position for 20 to 30 seconds at a time. Perfect. Okay, so you've seen it from the overhead hold against the wall, handstand hold. Now we're going to single arm handstand hold against the wall. So Chris is going to go pop up here and work on that single arm hold. Goal is 10 to 20 seconds if she can per side. Takes a lot of practice to get there. We'll get it. Lean to that side, pick up that arm, and hold that single arm hold. This is great for gymnastic development as well. Perfect. Now, for those of you that can do the overhead walk, you can do the stability stuff on the box, but then it's tougher to do the handstand push-up position against the wall. You can do this wall facing and kind of a middle ground for overhead stability. So Chris is going to go and wall walk up the wall. Hold a nice, what I call hollow hold, inverted hollow hold essentially. Perfect, everything's engaged, she's engaged to the shoulders. That's fantastic. From there, if you can progress into that single arm hold, so we'll see if Chris can do that, right into that single arm hold, and that is a progression of in between the box and the normal handstand push position. Alright guys, so lastly, an exercise I really like for developing overhead stability that it's kind of uncommon. I've seen this, we do it in my gym, Precision CrossFit. I also saw this introduced by Marcus Philly, who's got a great series of videos online, but it's called a bottom-up kettlebell press. That is the kettlebell popped up, literally bottoms up. We're focusing 100% on stability, making that L or that 90-degree angle with our arm, and we're pressing through and back for about 8 reps each side, and that's going to develop that stability and that strength in that progression of the overhead stuff. Good job. You do both sides. So moving on from the overhead stability is how? What do I do? You're seeing these exercises in these videos. Well, how far do I go, right? So I want you guys to think about, general rule to start with is about 50 feet at a time. okay? 100 feet max, all right? With the dumbbell stuff, 50 feet. With the barbell stuff, you can go further, you're stronger, okay? But start with the basics, start with the box stuff. Move up the progression, start with the dumbbell stuff, then move to the barbell stuff, etc. And as you do that, you're gonna get stronger. You're gonna feel yourself getting stronger. You're gonna notice at first, and it seems really funny, but that you're real shaky overhead, especially with that dumbbell, especially with that barbell. And as you progress, that shakiness will go away.